Hey everybody! Today we're diving into a legendary showdown, New York City versus Los Angeles. Two iconic cities, each bursting with personality, culture, and endless possibilities. One's a symphony of skyscrapers and yellow cabs, the other a sprawling canvas of beaches and palm trees. Choosing between these titans isn't easy. It's like picking between pizza and tacos, both delicious, but satisfy different cravings. To help you decide, we'll break down the key differences. Get ready for a wild ride as we explore the energy of Times Square and the glamour of Hollywood, the grit of Brooklyn and the sunshine of Santa Monica. Let the battle commence. First up, the Big Apple. New York City pulsates with a frenetic energy that's contagious. It's a city that thrives on ambition, creativity, and a whole lot of coffee. From the iconic Empire State Building to the bright lights of Broadway, NYC is a feast for the senses. One thing that sets New York apart, its incredible public transportation. The subway is the lifeblood of the city, whisking millions of people across its 5 boroughs. Forget about cars here. Walking and hopping on the subway is the way to go. But New York's heart lies in its diverse neighborhoods. Each one boasts its own unique flavor. From the artistic vibe of Greenwich Village to the trendy boutiques of Soho. No matter what you're into, NYC has a neighborhood that feels tailor-made for you. Next, we head west to the City of Angels, Los Angeles. Bathed in sunshine and known for its laid-back vibes, LA offers a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of New York. Here, life moves at a different pace, and dreams of stardom shimmer in the air. Los Angeles is the undisputed entertainment capital of the world. Hollywood, with its iconic sign and Walk of Fame, is a constant reminder of the city's star power. But LA is more than just movies. It's a melting pot of cultures, boasting incredible food, art, and music scenes. While New York relies on its subway, LA is a city built for cars. Cruising down the Pacific Coast Highway with the windows down is a quintessential LA experience. But don't worry, public transportation is improving, with new metro lines popping up. East Coast hustle versus West Coast. Chill a detailed comparison. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. New York is all about that 24/7 energy. People are always on the go, chasing dreams and hailing cabs. LA, on the other hand, embraces a more relaxed vibe. Think beach days, yoga studios, and sipping green juice on a patio. New York's subway system is legendary. It's affordable, efficient, and gets you everywhere. LA is a car city, but public transportation is expanding. New York experiences all 4 seasons. LA boasts year-round sunshine and mild temperatures. Both cities are expensive, but New York takes the crown. Expect to pay a premium in the Big Apple. Both cities offer world-class museums, theaters, and art galleries. New York is known for Broadway, while LA is home to the Hollywood Bowl. Central Park is New York's backyard. LA boasts stunning beaches and hiking trails. Get ready to be spoiled for choice in both cities. New York is a melting pot of flavors. LA's culinary scene is equally diverse. Both cities are shoppers' paradises. New York is home to iconic department stores. LA offers everything from vintage finds to luxury brands. Both cities are home to prestigious universities. You'll never be bored in either city. New York boasts Broadway shows and live music venues. LA offers movie premieres, concerts, and endless nightlife options. Section 5. So, which coast is calling your name? So, there you have it, folks. New York versus Los Angeles. Two incredible cities, each offering a unique slice of the American dream. Ultimately, the best city for you depends on your personality, priorities, and what you're looking for in a place to live. Crave the energy and excitement of a fast-paced environment? New York might be your perfect match. Yearning for sunshine, laid-back vibes, and proximity to the beach? Los Angeles could be your calling. No matter which city you choose, one thing's for sure: you're in for an adventure. Both NYC and LA are cities that will challenge you, inspire you, and leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Section 6. Share your city stories. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever been to New York or Los Angeles? What were your impressions? Which city vibes with you more? Hit the comments section and share your thoughts. Let's keep this city showdown going.